Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, I was gonna do a quick video on this big smoker right quick. I think I showed it in the last video or the video before that where I was building it, and I got it done. It's fixing to be picked up. I was gonna go through it right quick. I changed a couple things, added a couple things to where it's kind of the full package. So anyway, let's take a look at it. This is it right here, and this is the bigger version of this type of smoker. The chamber is 40 inches long, 20 inches wide, 22 inches deep. And that's one of the things I changed. It was 20 deep. I changed it to 22. It gives it more room for the plates to go down in there, and for the space between the reverse flow plates, or baffle plates, I guess you could call them, and the bottom rack. So I changed that, added a little space there. I changed the wheels on it. These are 8-inch solid rubber wheels, and it rolls pretty good on. This is a lot of weight now. This is built with 1/4 inch, and it's around 700 pounds. So it's a lot of weight that you're pushing around on those wheels, but it's holding good. The vertical chamber is 20 by 20. They both have 5-inch stacks on them. There's a drain on the back coming from the vertical chamber, another drain on the main chamber. Four racks inside there. Of course, the vent to open that chamber is back there. This side, the vertical chamber, has a drip pan in it. Coal basket down there. There's an ash pan down here. Log lighter inside there. And that's one of the things. I added the drip pans. Most of the time I sell them separately, but on this bigger version, these will be added in the vertical chamber. And there's one over here in the horizontal chamber. You can't see it down there, but there is a coal rack, and there's an ash pan up under it. And of course that can be used as a drip pan. You could set it up here if you wanted to. But if you were direct grilling on this side, it would be great as an ash pan. Also, if you could set it up to just traditional offset and put your fire in this chamber and offset into the vertical chamber, or like go reverse flow with both of them or one of them. You can do pretty much anything you want to do on it. The burners on the side. This one does include a port in both chambers. And built with 1/4 inch steel, this one is 2200. Built with 3/16 steel, it'd be 2000. Like I say, it was a little cheaper than that, but like I said, I did add some things. Got some much better wheels for it. I like the way it moves on those 8-inch. And like I say, those are solid rubber. They're not inflatable. The inflatable ones I use on the smaller ones because they work fine on there. So anyway, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and get it torqued back off right quick. But yeah, like I say, 2200 with 1/4 inch. That's a lot of smoker. It really is. You can put a lot of food in that thing. And the hose comes out down there for the log lighter. So anyway, that's it, y'all. I do have I've got another video, should be up in a couple days, of a Santa Maria grill. I just got a lot of smoke. I've got so many smokers. A lot of people wanting them, trying to get them done before the 4th, and it's pretty busy. But anyway, if anybody's interested in that style or the smaller style, shoot me an email. I'll put it in the description box. And if you're new to the channel, man, please like and subscribe and come back for the next one. Like I say, I know it's going to be that Santa Maria. And then I got a couple other small things. I also got these loaded compressors the other day. I already took some of them off and got the motors off of them. But I got a whole bunch of those. This is the same as mine. I think I'm going to keep it as parts. But, so I got to do something with all these. They're all smaller tanks, so I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with them yet. But I had to go get them before somebody else got them. So anyway, man, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Come back for the next one, man. It's going to be a couple of new build videos coming up and this and that. And then I got another Santa Maria coming here soon. So y'all be on the lookout for those, and we'll see you next time.